Hare Krishna to all my God brothers, God sisters, and well wishers. Most of you know that Guru Maharaj received many direct instructions from Srila Prabhupada. To expand congregation is one out of those valuable instructions that he received from Srila Prabhupada. Ever since Guru Maharaj received this instruction from Srila Prabhupada, he's been tirelessly working to fulfill this instruction. Now, Namahata, which was introduced during the Chaitanya era by Lord Nityananda and further carried out by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur, was revived by our beloved Guru Maharaj. Now, Namahata has flooded the West Bengal and India, and Namahata is mostly known in the villages and some places in the towns. But in order to reach out the modern generation who are busy, or rather who have no time for spiritual life at all, so Namahata was reintroduced by Guru Maharaj as Bhakti Vriksha in urban areas. This is catching up like a forest fire. Out of many good qualities that Guru Maharaj has, his enthusiasm to preach is ever increasing. This I have noticed in many instances, being with him for the last so many years. Recently, about a week ago, we went to Woodlands Hospital in Calcutta. And we reached the hospital at 1:30 in the morning. He was admitted for his routine checkup. And from 1:30 in the morning to 4:30 in the morning, the nurses, they were keep walking into Guru Maharaj's room to do their duty, to check his BP, to check his sugar, and to infuse albumin and many other treatments. Whenever the nurses walked in, Guru Maharaj wakes up and he had a very light sleep. But whenever the nurses were around him, he took that opportunity to preach to them. Now, they were not devotees. Yet, in those periods of 8 hours during their duty, he preached to 3 or 4 nurses, trying to introduce who Krishna is, who Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is. And at the end, just before they left, finishing their duties, they agreed to Guru Maharaj to chant the holy name of the Lord, and also they gave their contact to Guru Maharaj to pray for them and to bless them so that they can advance in spiritual life. So, even in between the sleep, his mind is always constantly thinking about preaching to people. Though the body may sleep, but his mind is always thinking about preaching, how to attract conditioned souls towards Krishna. So now this is the same mood that you as the disciples should carry out. Try to at least follow in the footsteps of Guru Maharaj. If not as how he is doing, at least try to help him of what he has done and what he is trying to do to fulfill the desire of his spiritual master. So at least by helping Guru Maharaj, you will also get the blessing of Srila Prabhupada. I know, hearing this, you want to help Srila Guru Maharaj and Srila Prabhupada to expand the congregation. And if you want to help, then ask the Congregational Development Ministry how to help them. Thank you. Hare Krishna.
Guru Maharaj's ministry is very active.
However, as most of you know, Guru Maharaj does not do anything in small measures.
The ministry must expand to fulfill the list of tasks he has given us.
We need more staff to write, to translate, and to produce books, and develop training courses.
Additionally, we need to pay salaries, purchase computers, video equipment, print books, rent offices, travel expenses, and the list goes on.
As his disciples, we play a very important role in making this possible.
Become part of Guru Maharaj's ministry in an active way by choosing one of the subscriptions.
The silver subscription at just $9 a month. We will offer a tray of fruits to the powerful Lord Narasimhadev in your name every month in Sri Mayapur Dham.